So anyway, hello people trying to get an education, and in today's English video we're going to be talking about mongrel, or if you want to make it a plural, you put an S on the end. Mongrels. And first of all, how do you pronounce it? So we don't say mongrels, mongrel, mongrels. We say man. So O is pronounced as U, man. Rule. So the E is pronounced as a U as well. Gruel. Not growl. Not mon. Growl. Man. Gruel. Ooh. Or you could say that instead of that being man. Gruel. You can actually say it's basically a double zero. So mongrel. So the E, depending on the pronunciation, could be U or double O. So those vowels are a little bit confusing because they're actually not pronounced like they're supposed to be. So that's a bit of confusion in Australian or any English around the world, is that how it's actually written and how it's pronounced can be totally different. So how would you actually use this in a sentence? Well, basically a mongrel is, it's referring to a dog that is actually a mixed breed. So you've got a poodle and a cocker spaniel, or you got a Labrador and a German Shepherd mixed together, it becomes a mongrel. Yeah, and when you apply this to a person, it's pretty much someone that's a jerk, an asshole. So, if you wanted to say to someone they're a mongrel, you just go, "You're a mongrel, bastard. I don't like you, you're a mongrel. You're a mongrel because you use people, you throw them away, you take all their money. And you don't even say thank you. So you're a mongrel." That is right. You are a mongrel. Anyway, so when you're actually referring to someone as a mongrel, it means they're pretty much cruel, insensitive, and they are just jerks. So how you could actually replace other words with mongrel, just say, instead of saying, "Oh man, you're a jerk," you just say, "Oh man, you're a mongrel. Why did you do that to your mum? That was not nice. Why did you do that to your mum? You're a mongrel. That is what you are. A bloody mongrel. You have no place in society." And I would say because they actually used to refer it to people of mixed race as well. So if I was half Asian and half European, they'd probably call me mongrel. If I was half African or half Asian, they'll call me a mongrel in the past. Generally, we don't say that anymore because we are more accepting of people of different races, also mixed race. So that is what a mongrel is. So how do you pronounce it? Mongrel, mongrel, mongrels for plural. So look, there's a group of mongrels over there. Group of mongrels. Don't get it confused with Mongols. There are people who live in Mongolia. They're not mongrels, okay? Some people I've heard actually say that. Anything else that we need to say? So, mongrel can refer to a dog of mixed breed, a human whose parents are of two different ethnicities, races, whatever you want to call it. I don't care, this new age bloody crap. Or someone who is just a jerk. So that is the more current version of a mongrel. Someone who is a jerk And the other two pretty much are sort of follow how to use dogs. We just say mixed breeds, and we don't really say anything about people who are of mixed race. Yeah, we just say mixed race, mixed ethnicities. We don't call them a half caste or a mongrel anymore, because that's pretty not nice. Don't do that. Don't do that. Be a nice person. Nice people, and you'll get loved. Thank you. I hope this video actually helps you with the word mongrel. And if you have any problems, leave a comment down below. And if you've got any words you're having difficulties with, also leave it down below. And I'd like to say thank you very much for watching my video. I have no idea where the hell I'm looking. Over there? Over there? Over there? Anyway, I'm a bit confused. Maybe I'll watch this and see. Nah, I'm just gonna upload it. Hooroo.